Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue west on US Highway 190 beginning in Eunice, Louisiana, which is in St. Landry Parish. Something to note as we drive through Eunice is the presence of flashing left turn arrows on the traffic signals. This is the first place we've seen these in southern Louisiana. The flashing yellow arrow indicates that you can make an unprotected left turn. St. Landry Parish has a population of 83,883. The land, which became St. Landry Parish, was inhabited since at least 10,500 BC, as deduced from excavations of 3 prehistoric dwelling sites. By the 15th century, the Appaloosa Indians settled in the area situated between the Atchafalaya River and the Sabine River. The Appaloosa were warlike and preyed on neighbors to defend their own territory. The first European recorded in the Appaloosa territory came in 1690 and negotiated with the Appaloosa Nation. 9 years later, France named Louisiana as a colony and defined the land occupied by the Appaloosa as the Opelousas Territory. In 1720, France established the Opelousas Post slightly north of the contemporary city of Opelousas. France gave land grants to soldiers and settlers to encourage development. Most settlers were French immigrants. France ceded Louisiana and its territories to Spain in 1762. Under Spanish rule, Opelousas Post became the center of government for southwest Louisiana. The French community built St. Landry Catholic Church in 1767, dedicated to St. Landry, the Bishop of Paris in the 7th century. The United States gained control of the territory in 1803 through the Louisiana Purchase. St. Landry Parish was officially established on April 10, 1805 by a legislative act, becoming the largest parish in Louisiana state. The new parish was named after the Catholic Church located near the Opelousas Post. Since then, the area of the parish has decreased as 6 additional parishes have been created from its territory. These include Calcasieu, Acadia, Evangeline, Jeff Davis, Beauregard, and Allen. Here we enter Evangeline Parish, but US-190 is actually the dividing line between Evangeline to the north and Acadia Parish to the south. One of the parishes formed from the original St. Landry Parish in 1910. The estimated population is 33,709 as of 2016. The parish seat of Evangeline Parish is Villa Platte. We enter the town of Basile, which has a population of 1,812. Basile lies in Evangeline Parish with a few small sections spilling over into Acadia Parish and is location of the privately operated South Louisiana Correctional Facility. Here, US-190 crosses all the way into Acadia Parish, which has a population of 62,645. The name of the parish is derived from the former French colony of Acadia in Canada, which consisted of the modern provinces of Nova Scotia, Prince Edward Island, New Brunswick, and much of Maine. We enter Jefferson Davis Parish, one of the last parishes to be organized in the state of Louisiana. It was originally a part of the Imperial Calcasieu Parish, which contributed to 5 other parishes as the population increased in the area. The bill creating Jefferson Davis Parish was passed by the state legislature in 1912 but did not take effect until 1913. Jefferson Davis Parish is part of the large 22-parish Acadiana region of Louisiana, which is influenced by a large Francophone population. It was named after Jefferson Davis, a prominent planter and President of the Confederate States of America. We enter the town of Elton with a population of 1,130. The wife of pioneer settler J.M. Henderson is said to have chosen the name Elton for her hometown from a book in which she read of an English town named Elton. This was probably the town on the northwest coast of England in County Durham near Middlesbrough. Elton, Louisiana was incorporated as a village in 1911. We conclude today's video here. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to help support our channel, please check out our merchandise at 504roadtrips.spreadshirt.com. If you liked this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.